Alright guys, really satisfying eating. Alright guys, let's get through.
Information. Eventually, I ran out of information, but he still had the drugs. He made me pay for it otherwise. Relationship with this girl.
Aren't these pretty?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, some fucking tech tried to steal them.
It was a fucked up situation.
And I called her and I said, hey, what happened to those flowers?
Or at least,
She's like, oh, I took them downstairs. For what? And she's like, oh, just to give them to the front desk. I'm like, for what? I told you to put them in the top box. And I knew, and I was watching her, you know? And she's like, well, what do you want me to do? I was like, are you still here? She's like, yeah. I was like, bring him back. And then, like, I looked at the price, $62.99. Like, no, Chica. Like, my patient left them.
Yeah.
And she was these were gifts from the nanny and the power of attorney.
Yeah.
You know, the parents live in China.
Not long after
She
that,
was a surrogate, and
I told him I was done.
you know, they bought them for her, and she lives an hour away. I was like, I'm taking these, and I like the
I had a
vase.
call from this woman.
And then she's trying to steal it.
She said she's working
I was
on
gonna
a story
fix
about
it.
police brutality and asked if I wanted to talk. I said, just keep my fucking mouth shut, but I thought my life was over.
I
Oh.
was like, they're firing people
Cuss
now.
words.
I'll give them a reason to
I
fire you.
talked to her when I got out.
Did you start
No one needs to be fired now.
Because
They're firing people.
she didn't tell me the night she came
It's good.
before she came here. Because I wouldn't have been here if she did. She walked in and he was right behind her.
tell me from that.
He makes it to the
Look how much
register,
there is.
and he opens fire. She never saw it coming.
Here's my napkin. Look how much. Ooh, good saving.
I saw a
Look
massive
how
bullets.
much I
I
have.
knew it was him.
Eat. That's a lot.
KJ, what's in the yes?
Bon appetit.
We would never reveal your name. It's a promise.
Detective Walter Beckwith.
I'm so.
Beckwith.
Bruh. Bro, these noodles are dirty.
Then
You need to check your math.
oh wow.
I don't know what to do. He wants to come.
Give me. Who the hell is my brother?
Where is Scarlett? He left. I'm sorry.
Hey, detective. What the hell happened?
So I've read the other car was likely intoxicated. This one's Desire. That's the one who called you.
Was anyone else with him?
He said he was alone.
Oh, sorry, guys.
You alright?
Oh no, his bag is there.
Anyone else in the car?
No.
Oh, oh.
Oh,
Oh, you gotta hear this. Hold up.
oh no. I hate it.
Yo, guys. What's it in? Please just like and subscribe. Leave a comment. How good this video is.
Hey, talk to me for a minute.
Alright, sorry guys, I had to. Right.
I'm gonna go lie down. You're right, it doesn't help. She's dead, she shouldn't be. I already knew that. I just didn't want her to think I didn't care enough to ask the questions.
Bruh. I'll switch. Hold up. Hello? You order Chinese food?
You were dealing with your
No.
own loss.
But
Bro.
I had Adam. I just appreciate that. He was your connection to the child.
So you brought back the wonder of a bridge.
If I love boy.
Okay. I gotta feed these.
Elizabeth, I was going to wait to tell you.
Bella!
Thea Baxter has a baby. A little boy. You are a great grandmother.
What is? Ain't it? Bro. Alright guys, you have to check out my new video next. It's the next video in a little bit. Alright guys, we're gonna be playing Stumble Guys next time.
What happened, son?
Alright, peace out.